In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Zoho calendar with Outlook. If you manage multiple calendars and need to keep everything aligned, this tutorial will help you connect your Zoho calendar with Outlook seamlessly. To start, we'll first head over to the Zoho calendar website. You can do this by opening your web browser and visiting calendar.zoho.com. Once you're on the Zoho calendar homepage, you'll see a settings icon, typically represented by gear symbol, usually found towards the upper corner of the screen. Click on this settings icon to access the menu options. When you've entered the settings menu, look for the option that says Synchronize. Clicking on it will bring up the synchronization options available to you. Since we want to sync with Outlook, the next step is clicking on Outlook Calendar. This will direct you to the section where you can start the integration process between Zoho and Outlook. To proceed with the synchronization, you'll need to authenticate your Outlook account. You do this by selecting the Authenticate Outlook button. It's essential at this point to continue ensuring your Outlook account is accessible, and you've logged in if necessary. Once you've clicked on Authenticate Outlook, you will be directed to a page where you'll need to input your Outlook email. This involves typing your email address associated with your Outlook account. After entering your email, click Next to proceed. This step confirms your intention to connect Zoho Calendar with the specific Outlook account you've provided. You'll now be prompted to enter your password for your Outlook account. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any authentication errors. After typing in your password, click on Next again. This action confirms your password and initiates the connection between Zoho Calendar and your Outlook account. And that's it. You've successfully set up the synchronization between Zoho Calendar and Outlook. From this point forward, events and updates should be reflected in both platforms, allowing you to manage your schedule more efficiently across Zoho and Outlook. Remember, syncing calendars can help streamline productivity, especially if you juggle various appointments or meetings. It might also be beneficial to review and adjust settings within both Zoho and Outlook to ensure the synchronization meets your personal or business needs. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues or need further clarification. Until next time, happy scheduling